After our quick pivot north to drop our Airstream, we're now back on the road and headed to the Florida Keys for some fun in the sun this week. Our first stop was the Key Largo Chamber of Commerce and Visitor Center, and they had a lot of really good information. I recommend everybody stop. The color of water.
It's quite a color.
What are those out there? Is that the old highway?
I am absolutely not sure.
We found a placard that says it's the Labor Day hurricane of 1935, where hundreds of people died while at the camp for building that bridge. We're at a community called Venture Out. It's on Cudjoe Key. I don't know how to say if I'm saying that right, but
Florida Keys.
we're in the Keys.
And this community has a mix of homes on piers, safe from floodwater to some extent, right down to small campers on lots. There's a few empty lots around like this one, but not many. Most of it is canal front, I think they call it. And then there's a few sites that are bayfront. This is not the section of the bridge blown up in the movie True Lies with Arnold Schwarzenegger. That effect was done in miniature, but they did film scenes on the bridge. How would you describe our mission this morning?
We are walking every street in the community and clocking our distance and seeing how far it is and that kind of stuff. Mostly just for fun and some way to motivate to walk down every side street.
We also don't want to miss any Airstreams. So far we found 3 in here.
Yeah, that's true. And get our steps in and all that. Because we haven't been working out because we haven't been hiking. So
Is what it is.
Yeah.
Did find a 4th Airstream hiding because it's a square street. Just sucked a bug up my nose. That was fun.
Gross.
Yeah.
Gross.
Heard of flamingos.
They're glorious.
Ooh, birds fishing in the canal. The lead one just swallowed.
Wow.
Got one. Got one.
What's interesting about the Keys that I didn't know, so I haven't really explored Florida very much, is that this particular area, it's not really known, there are beaches, but it's not known for beautiful sugarcane sandy beaches. So here they have a pool and a boat dock, ramp type thing, and some palapas where you can go and clean your fish or fish off of the pier. The pool is heated. They have a hot tub, playground, pickleball, tennis courts. But what really I feel makes this little community unique, or unique for me as I've never seen it before, is all of these channels and canals that cut in behind the houses. So there's a row of houses and a canal on this side, and a row of houses and a canal on that side. And people bring their fishing boats and stuff. It's quite the place. I don't know if there's a lot of communities like that in Florida, because I haven't explored. But if you know, drop a comment below, because this is my first time being here. So when we checked in, there was a sheet and talking about the units here for sale and that kind of stuff. I think you can own the pad and the structure on it, whether it's just an RV site or one of the raised buildings behind us. And then I'm sure there's an HOA and dues and stuff that you have to pay to have.
Seems like they have a lot of community activities, which is great if you like them, but if you don't like them, it's a lot to pay for, I think.
Yeah. I guess it depends on something for everybody. No one says you have to participate.
I suppose, yeah.
Per the advice of the Chamber of Commerce in Key Largo, we headed straight for the parking garage on Key West.
What do you see? For making bait. Bait mill?
But it says meat chopper.
Meat chopper number 62. coffee.
Oh, it's everything I hoped it would be.
Or there.
This is a really neat shop.
Yep.
It has a really interesting set of things you could buy, but I'm not a big shopper, so.
Repurposed materials and such.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
I'm waiting for my friends to be done, but.
Are the keys in it?
Look at the shifter, please.
No.
That's rad.
There's more keys out there.
Yeah. I'm loving all the roosters.
Just wondering.
Huge. Huge. Please like, subscribe, click that notification bell. It really helps our channel.